Hello everyone, this is Ankur Rupani and welcome to this small intro to the Empower program. I'll be doing a workshop, Empower workshop on the April 22nd, which is Sunday, full day workshop. So invite you all to come for that. There is a free introductory seminar before that also, April 1, April 8 and April 15, right in the evening at 5 p.m. What is this workshop all about? I've been doing this mind power workshop for many years now and helping students. You'll be learning a lot about the mind, the conscious and the subconscious mind, and how to use the mind to achieve your results. Okay, very simple. We will also look at the energy aspect of us because we have a physical body and we have a non-physical part of us, and which is connected to the higher energy, the infinite energy, infinite intelligence. How do we tap into that so that things become easy? A lot of times we are struggling, there is so much stress, there is so much tension, but very easily, smoothly you can move towards your goals. Okay, this is about that. It is called alignment, coming into alignment. So I also call this workshop the alignment workshop. So you learn all these tools and techniques to come into alignment with your higher energy, higher self, your being, and with that power to move forward towards your goals. We'll start first with the clarity. What are your goals? Why do you want to achieve them? What are your long-term goals? What are your dreams? What fills you with passion? What are your talents? Make everything in line with your purpose. Okay, and then once that is clear, you set out to make an amazing, beautiful vision for yourself, right? And we use tools, we use techniques to make things very easy, become very focused, very clear, very sharp. And through this workshop you'll learn all that. There'll be a lot of different meditations, very beautiful meditations. After the workshop there will be follow-ups. We'll be continuously in touch via WhatsApp. There will be once a week a WhatsApp call or in-person call, or in-person meeting also can be done, and that will continue for 1 month, so that whatever you learn in the workshop, you practice it and you manifest. We will just become better and better at manifestation and being in alignment with our true self, with our higher self. All right, so it's going to be tons of fun and lot of growth. Okay, so trust me, you don't want to miss it. It is April 22nd is the workshop. The seminar, free seminar, April 1, April 8, April 15. So do come to the seminars, and or you can come directly for the workshop, but register in advance. There is a deadline of April 15th. The WhatsApp number is 9820843769. Just send a WhatsApp. You can register via that, or you can send an email, IEmpoweredLife@gmail.com. IEmpoweredLife@gmail.com. So look forward to talking to you, meeting you guys, and really starting a wonderful journey together. All right, so hope to see you guys soon. Thank you.